everybody, it's your pal Jim here from Jim Catholics Vids. I wanted to do a quick little video real fast. This is not going to be the best filmed video either because I'm literally showing you guys how to clean an iMac screen. Now, this is going to be a real quick video, so don't get too comfortable and make popcorn or whatever. I'm just going to do something real simple. I know I haven't done much in a while. I've apologized for that. I've been working like 40 hours at a job outside of YouTube, so I haven't really had the time to film much, and I've been busy on my other channel as well. But I'm going to show you guys a quick video real fast on how to clean an iMac screen. This also works on a MacBook or an iPad screen with plain water and a fiber cloth. Now, this is real simple. So first, you're gonna need some water. This is water from about a year ago I haven't drank. I don't want to drink it either. It's been sitting there for a while. So from 2019, and I'm going to drop a little bit of water on this fiber cloth and I'm going to wipe it down. Now, a lot of people use Windex. Do not use Windex. It doesn't damage the screen, but what Windex does is it kind of gums up the shininess. You know, it makes your computer less shiny, which makes it look like it's from an expensive computer to like a really cheap computer. Now you want that glossy look to your screen. If you want that, don't use Windex. Plain water and a fiber cloth will do just fine. Now you could just wipe it down like this, you know, without a fiber cloth. It's just dusty, just get all the dust off. But this thing has a lot of spit marks and a lot of tiny pieces of dried shit that, you know, I'm not gonna be able to get with just the cloth itself, so I'm gonna have to wet it down. Let me show you guys how to do that. You can see there's a lot of little tiny spit marks. You can see right there and right there. Now this right here is a very simple clean. Alright. Now this is an expensive iMac. As you know, these are like $1,400 especially for the 21-inch model right here, 4K. So how you clean this, okay, is you gotta not use too much pressure. I'm gonna show you guys a physical demonstration, but you can see there's dust and stuff all over that. Look at all that dust. Well, I'm gonna just get right to it already. First, take a cloth, take your water, and I'm gonna wet it on my pant leg real fast. So you don't need about that much. And then you just wet it down like that. You take the dry end of the cloth and you dry it off. Like that. Now I almost knocked this over, so I might as well screw that up. And there. Now, you see there are some streak marks here. Those will go away on their own over time. Those are just moisture. It absorbs pretty quickly. So for the most part, that's all picked up. Except this little mark over here I didn't get. There we go. Yeah. Now when it comes to cleaning off your keyboard, your Magic Mouse, you could use a fiber cloth, but I personally, to kill off the bacteria and stuff, I recommend you use a Clorox wipes to do that. Now that's just me, so let me show you guys what I use for Clorox wipes. Single Clorox wipes, this is what I use right here. You take your damp wipe. With one hand I'm going to record this. Then you just lightly clean it off like that. Now, it's flu season, so I'm going to take care of that. Oh, shit. So I'm just going to turn this off real fast so I don't mess anything up. And I'm just gonna wipe it off like that. Now put pressure on it, get down between the keys. Go over it a few times. And I flip it over and get the back. The back isn't really ideal, but I do liking it as well. That way, it'll kill off any germs and bacteria. And that's pretty much how you do it. I'm gonna get this over here real fast. There we go. That's how you clean your Mac screen. It also works on iPad screens, MacBook screens, and smartphone screens. But more specifically, I use this on an iMac, just because it makes the screen, it keeps the screen looking nice and shiny, and it's better for it. Makes it last longer. And Windex does dissolve the fibers of the screen, and I use a Clorox wipes because it kills bacteria, and there really is no point in using water on keyboard and mouse. So that's how I do it. I'm sure there's a lot of other ways to do it, but that's how I do it. See, those streak marks are still there, but they're going away. Doesn't show on camera, but they definitely are. So that's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace. And don't forget to stay tuned for more videos coming soon.